Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Volkswagen Golf, and it's special because this Volkswagen Golf come from the same family that we already done. This one is the third one. If you remember, we have other video in the family with the Mercedes, with the other Mercedes, and now it's Volkswagen Golf. What we have done here is the upgrade noise system for the MK6, and also very more importantly, we actually upgrade the reverse camera. As usual, we use the high-end high performance reverse camera here, and even more important, we actually upgrade the system with a whole new Pioneer D-Class sound system. So currently the tweeter on the left side, driver's speaker, tweeter and driver at the right, left, front and the rear, all of them under the hood, they are Pioneer D-Class speaker components. And under the passenger seat here, you can't see it. You have to slide, even if you slide this one down, you can't see it because it stays well hidden underneath the Pioneer D-Class 1200 watt amplifier. And also under the driver's seat here, also you can't see it because it's well hidden under the driver's seat, is a Pioneer Subwoofer, and the whole system already tuned up. And currently we can tell that, you know, the sound system in this car is just amazing. It is definitely the top quality that bring to the car with the Pioneer D-Class sound system setup. So it's hard to explain the whole thing, but if you sit in this car, you quickly feel, oh my god, what a sound this system is. So yeah, we would like to say thank you, and introduce short videos of how we build up the sound system in this car, Volkswagen Golf MK6, and it's waiting for collection soon in next an hour. So thanks again for watching, and if in case you want to build something outstanding sound setup in the car, that's where we're standing for, and see you in the next one.